sofas in here. Wheelchairs, what that is.
Insulation on the ground.
2 wheelchairs, yeah. Insulation. Sofas. I mean, this is a gut job.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't even go back there.
I don't have my mask on. I'll put it on.
What are you stepping on all over the place here? I don't know. There's a big ass TV. More furniture.
Okay. Wow. You're not gonna go back there?
For what?
I don't know.
I'm gonna go back now and fucking step on this shit. Stir it up. Hmm? Get a picture of the power.
Here, you get a picture of, I mean, a video of it. I'm just videoing, so what do you need a power? What power? What's on this side of the wall?
Bedroom what? Bedroom 2?
The windows to me don't look like to be an issue right now. Do you think so? Besides, this one right here is missing the glass.
It's just storm windows.
They're just storm windows?
Mm-hmm.
You still got it rolling?
That's what it looks like to me.
Okay, there's just storm windows on there.
Some kind of aluminum. Some aluminum window.
But to me, I mean, it looks like she wouldn't need to replace the windows to live here. What do you think?
No. But everything would need to be stripped out. 2 new doors.
Okay, and there is a missing window over here. I mean, we're missing pane, so you can replace that. But there's no windows. It's just storm windows, right? So she wants the estimate on securing the doors. Do you want to move this? No, you don't want to mess with that, do you? I think she can live here with these windows like they are. Do you?
Yeah, the windows aren't the issue.
Yeah. Okay.
Be careful on this, okay?
Okay.
Because I don't even know if these boards are going to hold. Step over here if you can. Dangerous. Feel like they might hold us, but I don't trust them. Oh man, this is super poison ivy infested. All right. Come on. Get over that ivy. That's horrible.